Most wholesalers are burning themselves out chasing random homeowners. They're cold calling, texting, and mailing people who never wanted to sell in the first place. But what if you could flip that around and target sellers who are actually ready to make a move? That's how I made 6 figures in wholesaling from home, by verifying homeowners instead of guessing. The problem that most wholesalers have is that they're relying on luck. They're reaching out to people that they know nothing about. They have no real ownership info, no situation details, and no context. That's why their leads are inconsistent and their motivation drops fast. Here's what I do differently. I verify every homeowner before I spend $1 on marketing. Once you verify, you instantly remove the low probability sellers. This one shift changed my business. By verifying owners first, I turned that small 1 to 2% of distressed sellers into a larger pool of distressed sellers. I've made over 6 figures in my wholesaling business part-time, mostly from home, by focusing on quality over quantity. This is my process. Number 1, I verify homeowners using the county records. That's the most reliable data that you can get. Number 2, I build my verified seller list. Number 3, mail or call them consistently until they're ready to sell. Most wholesalers quit after 1 or 2 touches. The long game is where the real money is, and that's the game that I play. Many wholesalers or real estate investors in general rely too much on PropStream and other platforms like PropStream. Those tools can help, but their information is not always accurate. You need to go to the source, the county records. You go there for the most up-to-date information if you want stronger leads. I've been doing this for 8 years part-time and it still works. While others are guessing, I know exactly who I'm contacting because I have verified them. That's how I consistently find high-quality leads every year, every month. I break this process down step by step in my course, which you can find in the description or in the comments. In my course, you'll learn how to verify homeowners, build a verified owners list, and create consistent lead flow. The same process that I use, the same system I've been using for the last 8 years. Like I said, the link is in the description and it's pinned in the comments. If you're tired of guessing and want to work smarter, my strategy will change your business. Check the description or the comments, grab the course, and start building your verified list today. Subscribe to my channel to get more real-world wholesaling tips. Thank you.